So a few months ago, I launched a video called The Death of Digital Marketing Agencies, and that video took off. You guys absolutely loved the concepts that I went and shared in there. But one thing I held back was the actual SaaS platforms, which stands for Software as a Service, that you can actually white label for your own digital marketing agency. Now, for those of you guys who have not seen that video, basically a quick recap of what I explained there is that the old traditional model of digital marketing agencies charging $1,500 to $2,000 per month, like most people talk about right here on YouTube, was gonna probably transition more to a $300, $400, $500 per month model while leveraging software to help with the fulfillment of servicing all of those accounts. Now, I'm not saying by any means that the higher ticket premium services are going away. No, that is not the case, but kind of this new model is opening up where you can go through and white label a software platform for your own business and basically treat it like your own business. And the great thing about this is you can do this for significantly less than it would cost you to go through and start your own software company. Okay, now for those of you guys who have been following me for a while now, you know that I've gone through and I started my own software company back in May of 2015. And we have since spent millions of dollars in development and going through and creating the product design, product management, all that stuff. So it is very expensive, whereas some of these softwares I'm gonna share with you guys on today's video, you can literally white label and have your very own version for just $1,000 every single month and sign up clients onto these softwares. Now, before I share with you guys the 3 different softwares that I'm gonna be sharing with you today that you can white label for your own digital marketing agency, and just a little caveat, guys, these are not the only 3 software platforms that you can white label. There are dozens of other software platforms that you can actually go and white label for your marketing agency. Now, just real quick, I wanna break down that there's 2 ways to go through and kind of present your own white labeled software platform to your clients. Now, the first one is probably kind of the most common sense way of going through and presenting this. And this is basically saying like, hey, so like for example, my software company is called Arsenal MKG. So maybe you're like, okay, Arsenal MKG, this is our software. So when you get on phone calls or when you get on webinars or whatever it is, you're just selling your software platform. Okay, so that's one way. That's probably more of the traditional way that most people are gonna think of. Now, I've got a friend that does a completely different way, and he's been very successful with this, and he's got his digital marketing agency is under one brand name. So let's just say it's Google, right? Just to keep it simple. So his digital marketing agency is called Google, and then he's got a software platform that he calls Apple, right? So then when he gets on a sales call with his digital marketing agency, so Google, he's selling the Google services. Hey, you know, we'll run ads for you. We'll do this, this, and that. And also we're gonna be leveraging this software. We're gonna leverage the Apple software, so you guys need to go through and sign up for Apple, right? So the cool thing about this is he's then charging a monthly retainer for his digital marketing agency services. And then he's also making money on the monthly software subscription, even though he's not presented as his own company, but he's able to pull in that extra revenue. And on top of that, if somebody's like, oh, I don't want your digital marketing agency services, but you just referenced Apple, the software company, sounds great, I'm gonna go through and sign up just for the software and not use your marketing agency services. So another kind of unique spin of how to go through and present this to your current clients as well as your potential future clients. All right, so let's break down these 3 softwares you can go through and white labels for your digital marketing agency. Now, the first one is one that's kind of become more popular over the last couple of months, and they just released something called the SaaS mode, which honestly, I don't think the full SaaS mode is really totally available, but this is a platform called GoHighLevel. Now, most of you guys, if you've been in the digital marketing agency space for a little bit of time now, you are familiar with the GoHighLevel platform. They allow you to go through and manage basically unlimited amount of accounts on their platform. Makes it super easy. I think they charge something like $297 per month to go manage as many clients as you possibly could ever want. So honestly, at the end of the day, that's not too much money, but then to go through and white label it and have the white label mobile app and white label Zap for Zapier, it's a little bit extra money, but honestly at the end of the day, it's totally worth it, and it's only $1,000 per month all in, and you're able to sign up these clients on a software subscription. Now, to be completely transparent, I don't think that their SaaS mode is quite there yet as far as going through and signing up software clients. So they basically released this version 1, which allows you to go through and connect clients' Twilio accounts and be able to go through and have a markup on all of the text messages that are being sent. which is great, but it's not necessarily the software platform in the natural sense. But I know that they're working on several more rollouts, and so I think in 6 months, maybe 12 months out, they'll be in a better position to go through and white label their whole platform in more of a software sense. Whereas now you can white label it for your own marketing agency and it works great. I have a number of clients on that system myself, and I also go through and help other people go through and get their marketing agency up on that software as well. So if you want to go through and check that out, I'll have a link down in the description. And yes, it is an affiliate link, but please just hook me up. I'm trying to give you guys the good stuff right here on the channel. So if you don't mind, go ahead, use my affiliate link so I can get a little bit of love for making these videos for you. Right now, the second software that you can go through and white label, and honestly, there's a lot of similar features on this software as compared to GoHighLevel. The whole design of the thing is like second to none. Okay, and that's called Symvolley. It's Symvolley, something like that. I'll also have a link down below in the description. And once again, if you guys want to use my affiliate link, I would greatly appreciate that. But I have a good friend that's actually running his whole marketing agency on that. It's 100% white labeled, and he's actually kind of turned it into more of a SaaS model. So they have websites, they have CRMs, funnel builders, they actually have e-commerce, checkout. So really depends on what type of industry you're focusing on with your digital marketing agency, what software platform you want to actually go through and white label. Okay, because obviously some of these are going to have different features, because I know that the GoHighLevel CRM is a little bit more robust than the Symvolley CRM. However, the landing page builder, website builder on Symvolley is much better in my personal opinion than that of GoHighLevel. Okay, so obviously you want to go through, do your research, figure out if you're going to go through and white label one of these software platforms. It's going to be a long-term commitment, long-term engagement, because once you actually go through and get clients on, you white label the whole platform, you don't necessarily want to leave it. So there's going to be a lot of research you're going to want to do beforehand, because it's not something like as simple as canceling your Netflix account and switching to Hulu. All right, so we've got GoHighLevel, we got Symvolley, and then the third one that I'm going to recommend and mention here, which, like I said, guys, there are so many other software platforms you can go through and white label as well, and that is ActiveCampaign. Now, a lot of you are probably familiar with ActiveCampaign. I don't know if a lot of you guys know that you can actually white label the whole entire platform for your business and kind of turn it more into a software type platform for your own business, right? So you can obviously still run your high-end, high-ticket digital marketing agency clients, but then you could actually have other people sign up as well. Now, I don't know the exact cost. You have to jump on a phone call with people on ActiveCampaign, and I actually did not do that because I wasn't really going through looking to white label ActiveCampaign for my own business. But I wanted to go through and share with you guys some different ideas and different possibilities of different white label software platforms that are out there that you can explore if you're thinking about this concept or this idea. So the last thing I'll leave with you guys here is one thing that I would do if you already have a digital marketing agency that's successful, it's making money, and you're like, man, this is cool, I want to go through and add on this white labeled software platform to my business. And if you know, like with GoHighLevel, it's only $1,000 per month. I can add as many clients as I want. Or you look at Symvolley, I don't know exactly how much it is per month. I think they charge on a per user basis, but it's only like $2 to $3 per account per month. So it's basically pennies on the dollar compared to what it would cost by actually going through and building your own software platform. Now, just two last things I want to leave with you before we wrap up this video here. If you're looking at white labeling one of these software platforms and you already have a digital marketing agency and it's already making money, it's already successful, and you want to just kind of bolt this on top of it, do not shut off your core business. Keep your core business running and then just offer this as an additional service on the back end. Okay, maybe your current clients, they just get access to it, they just get grandfathered into it. And then just figure out your strategy of how you want to actually sell it. Do you want to sell it as your own company, or do you want to sell your digital marketing agency services and you use that software platform like I explained earlier? Think about how you want to go through and do that, but do not shut off what's already working, because that's the quickest way you can kill any business. Now, the last thing I'll leave with you is a question that I had about white labeling one of these software platforms. And that is, what happens when you want to exit? What happens when you want to go through and sell your software company? Can you actually sell it if it's a white label platform? Well, guys, at the end of the day, the quick answer is yes, you can. All right. Now, the biggest thing that a lot of these people look at when they're going and acquiring these companies, a lot of things that the brokers look at is your net income. So they look at the net income over the trailing 12 months. And honestly, if you can show a higher net income on the trailing 12 months with your white label software than your own custom software, because you're having developers, support people, everything A to Z, then you're actually in a much better off spot. Now, if you're looking for one of those 10, 15x multiples like an Instagram or one of these big companies, YouTube, something crazy like that, more than likely you're not gonna get that. But at the end of the day, to have a custom development software get one of those crazy valuations, you're gonna have to be one of those unicorns. So at the end of the day, even if you're doing custom development on your software, you're typically only gonna see about a 3 to 5x your net income for the trailing 12 months. So if you kind of have just like a general concept of an idea for a software, which most digital marketing agencies would, there's a lot of other softwares that do the exact same thing. There's nothing crazy unique about them, right? Well, then it might be a better off solution to actually just white label the platform as opposed to going through and building your own custom development. Okay, so anyway, just some last thoughts to go through and think on when you're thinking about going through and choosing which white label platform you want to actually pick. And then also beginning with the end in mind and thinking about, okay, what does my exit look like? Do I want to hire someone to be a CEO and kind of run the business for me? Do I want to actually sell it? Do I want to just keep running it as long as I possibly can because I just love this so much? Like, what is your exit? And just have that all planned out in the initial strategy. So anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and smash that like button. Drop a comment down below. And if you guys are brand new here, make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell. And with that said, I will see you in the next video.